I'm Mari, your friendly bot baby. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your MoonBots account, fund your wallet, add your own bot baby like me, invite a manager, and explore your bot settings. Ready? Let's get started! First, go to moonbots.co and click Join at the top. You'll need your avatar's legacy name and a password. Once you enter that info, click the black button that says Verify my account in Second Life. You will get an instant message from the MoonBots avatar with a link to click to verify your account. Once you do that and log in, you are ready for the fun to begin! Now, let's fund your wallet. Click where your Linden dollar balance shows at the top of the page. You can add funds via two in-world locations, at Starries or MoonBots. You can also add funds via debit or credit card. If you add funds via PayPal, you save 20%. See how easy it is? Now it is time to have your very own bot baby, like me! In your dashboard, look for the button that says Add your first bot account to MoonBots. Okay, now it's time to pick the type of bot you want. Let's take a look together. There are three kinds of bots: Model Bot, RLV Bot, and Premium Bot. The Model Bot is the simplest. It can sit, stand, balance, and talk in local chat. It's the most affordable, too. The RLV bot has all of that, plus it works with upsies and has RLV included. It's labeled Best Value for a reason. The Premium bot has all the features, including group chat, group notices, and instant messages. It's like a superhero bot. You'll also see the price per week for each one. If you have enough wallet funds, you can even turn on auto-renew so your bot stays online. Choose the one that fits your family best, then click Add Account to continue. Yay! If your bot baby doesn't already own the Upsies HUD, they should go get it after they become a MoonBot bot baby. The Upsies HUD can be purchased in the Starries main store or the MoonBot store where you funded your wallet for 1,110 Linden dollars for non-Starries group members and 999 Linden dollars for Starries group members. The Starries group costs 100 Linden dollars to join and is worth every Linden, just like the Upsies HUD. Trust me, you are gonna want the Upsies HUD to really bring your bot baby to life. Remember, the bot baby buys the Upsies HUD, not the parents. Ta-da! You now have a bot baby! I'm so excited to be part of your journey. Want someone to help take care of your new bundle of joy? You can add a manager. From your dashboard, click My Managers. Type in their avatar legacy name, select their role, then select which bot they can manage. This is the Manager Role Permission screen, which allows you to determine who can perform what actions with your bot. There are three roles: Friend, Manager, and Co-owner. Friends can do simple things like sitting, standing, and setting locations. Managers can help with more stuff, like inventory, group chat, and chatting with visitors. Co-owners get full control, including restarting the bot, managing money, and using Upsies settings. Just check the boxes you want, then click Save Permissions when you're done. Okay, here we are. This is the Manage Bot menu, where you can see and change everything about me. Let's start on the left. Under Management, you'll find tools like the map, login object sit, my hover height, and set my login location. You can also see my Linden dollar balance. Down below is Inventory, where you can decide if I accept items, group invites, or animations from others. On the right is my MoonBot account. That's where you'll find my Upsy settings, star credits, and account info. You can even change my bot type or restart me if needed, but only if you're sure. And in the bottom right is Chat and Groups. This is where you can peek at chat logs, messages, and local dialogues. When you're done checking things, just click anywhere else to close this menu and get back to playing. And that's it for today's MoonBots tutorial. Thanks for hanging out with me. I had so much fun showing you around. If you need help, feel free to reach out to MoonBots. See you next time, and remember, the stars are always shining somewhere. Bye!